Expand your knowledge with our Honeywell Fire Academies. Skyrocket your education with the FED Learning Center by registering for our Honeywell Fire Academies. Plus, earn CEUs while you learn. The FED Learning Center is an approved provider of CEUs and NICET approved for professional development hours. Check with FED Learning Center to learn if we're approved in your state. The FED Learning Center is Honeywell's authorized training provider. This means that through our Honeywell Fire Academies, you'll have a chance to obtain OEM Silent Night or Firelight training. Here's what you'll learn in our Honeywell Silent Night Academy: how to properly maintain fire alarm system installations, SLC devices, and emergency voice systems, EVS. There's also programming and troubleshooting using the Honeywell Fire Software Suite, HFSS. And you'll be using Silent Night Addressable Fire Alarm Control Panels, FACPs, including the following models: 6700, 6808, 6820, and 6820 EVS. Here's what you'll learn in our Honeywell Silent Night Academy: an understanding of basic fire principles, how to designate what products may be used to provide initiation of a fire condition, and then allow notification so that lives may be saved and property preserved, how to correct defective systems and programming for applications that include HVAC, floor above, floor below, elevator recall, and door closure functions. You can learn all of this at one of our 5 campuses, empowering techs with our hands-on training. Register now at fedlearningcenter.com.